Here's how to get the most out of your PRISM Plus Cyclone washer.
Always use low-sat detergent or place laundry pots directly into the drum.
Before your first wash, run an empty tub clean cycle to prep your machine. Here's how to set the auto-dosing feature.
Hold this icon for 4 seconds to adjust detergent levels before pressing start or pause to confirm.
Of course, if you prefer laundry pots, you can disable auto-dosing feature by pressing this icon till the logos disappear. When you choose smartwash, the display defaults to 48 minutes, but that's just a starting estimate.
Once the cycle begins, internal sensors weigh your laundry and detect the load size. You'll see the timer adjust in real time as it calculates the precise water and time needed. Whether it finishes faster or adds a few minutes, the smartwash optimizes every second for the perfect energy-efficient clean. Save your favorite settings by holding My Cycle until you hear this sound.
Want your laundries to be done before you get back? Use Delay Start.
Turn the knob to your desired washing program. Press and hold Temp to activate Delay Start function.
After washing, leave the door slightly open and wipe the seal to maintain freshness. The Cyclone Front Load Washer, advanced care if needs simple.